Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, like I've been gone for so long. I'm even embarrassed. Are you not embarrassed? I am embarrassed. It's embarrassing. It is embarrassing, but I'm here now, guys. I'm just so happy to be back. Life has been lifing. Pandemic has been pandemicing me. Things just been happening spiritually, physically, everything's just been over me. But I'm here now, guys. I just wanted to come here and chat with you guys, like a little chit chat while I do my hair, because I've got like a few requests, people asking me how I get my hair to look like a massive afro but still like have like a little curl, whatever. But without wasting any more time while we're chatting, guys, I washed my hair days ago. This is what my hair looks like, and to be honest with you, your girl's been experiencing hair problems, hair issues. Some people wouldn't believe me if I tell you that I experienced alopecia end of last year, but I just didn't talk about it because I felt very hurt. My feelings were hurt, okay? But it's gone now because your girl had to do a research. I had to create products that I could use to heal my scalp, to heal my hair, because I was experiencing a lot of breakage, losing hair. My hair was thinning, my hair was breaking. But you know, I just didn't allow that to get me down, you guys. I just had to keep going, and this is my hair. Like, you guys, I'm just so happy. Oh, excuse me, bro. I'm just so happy to be here with you guys. Like, I mean, let's get this camera fixed a little bit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you guys how my hair looks like, because this is like one of those messy twists that I do. My hair looks gorgeous. Look at that, it looks healthy, because your girl is working on products that you guys are gonna love them. You're gonna fall in love with them because you're gonna have to purchase them so your hair can grow, so you can have, you know, to increase your hair density and the thickness of your hair. If you're experiencing hair loss and all of that stuff, I truly believe that my product will be of help, which I'm working on now, and soon I'll release them for you guys. So now we're gonna start from the back. Let me see, I don't know, let's fix this camera a little bit so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So as you can see, I'm gonna just put like a little bit of Jamaican castor oil on my, it's heavy, so you don't need to put a lot. It's just to avoid just to prevent your hair from freezing out while you're undoing the regular twist. It's like a twister, but it's like messy at the same time. So, because this is literally like my go-to hairstyle, you guys, every day. You know, this is how I grow my hair. Less manipulation, you know, length retention. Oops. Just separate. You see, like your hair, it shows you what you want you to separate. So like now I'm just gonna pick that and separate it like that, and then it just shows you, you just follow your hair. It's easy, so you can avoid freezing out. So that's one twist done, and then we'll move on to the next one. You guys, how you been? Because Like, I mean, I just gone quiet because whenever I do my hair, I like to concentrate. So I've never done this chit chatting whatever while doing my hair. It's hard. But other than that, like, you guys, how are you doing? And I say I've gained so many subscribers, like, since, like, God knows. And I'm so grateful, you guys. I'm so happy that you find me worthy to, you know, to give me your time, and I hope you're here to stay. I mean, talk to me, how you doing spiritually, physically. As for me, I am doing good. Like, I've been literally making it my priority to spend a lot of time with Jesus, you know, a lot of fasting, a lot of praying, because I was just feeling so down, so alone, you know. And the only person that I needed was Jesus, and I found Jesus. I mean, he's always been here. I love Jesus, he loves me, but sometimes legs take over. You start prioritizing things, your emotions, your job, your friends, your family, you know, and you neglect your spiritual life. But I hope you guys have been growing spiritually, because I have. And I feel like things are just getting better and better because Jesus is in the midst, you guys. And honestly, I truly believe I look so pretty today. Like, what do you guys think? Do I look pretty? Do I look gorgeous? Because I think I look gorgeous. Oh my god, it's so easy to take down this hair because it's proper detangled. Like, I did like an oil treatment before I washed my hair, so it's very easy to undo it right now. And if you guys want to see how I oil treat my hair, let me know. We can do that together. So what I'm gonna do now, you guys, I've been talking too much. I am going to speed up the video and then I'll come back. I'm gonna do the same thing, just separating the twist carefully so we minimize freezing, because you know our hair, you know, we want it still to have like a bit of curl, but afro, like volume, like we need this volume to be popping, baby. I mean, guys, look at my hair. My hair looks so healthy. I'm sleeping on my own hair, hon. So yeah guys, this is my hair. Let's check how long is my hair now. Let me try and get brush strap length. That's how long my hair is now. So yes, that guys, for the girl that asked me, I'm gonna insert a picture of how my hair looks like, but I just don't want to unravel the twist out too much because I don't want my hair to be like, because I'm about to go and do like a mini photo shoot, and I have a hairstyle that I want to do, but that hairstyle does not require me to have like a massive afro. So yeah guys, this is my hair, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this, the Olive Girls, it's like a gel, fly away taming gel, like just a little bit, just there on my edges, just like a little bit like that, just to brush it back. Just to make sure it's presentable before you guys come here and prosecute me. And yeah, that's my hair. That's basically what it is, guys. This is how I keep my hair. Sometimes my hair is always just like bushy afro like this, like especially when she reckless. You're my bestest friend, yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And also, you guys, my hair, the longer it's gotten, the texture is changing, I feel. And I've mentioned this on my the last video that I did with with aloe vera and avocado deep conditioner. Like, it's like my hair is changing texture, especially like my hair at the back. The curls are getting looser and looser, but I just don't know anymore. But I just know that like at least 3/4 of my head is like 4C. But yeah, guys, whoever requested for this video, there you go. I've done it, even though I know it's taken so long. But babes, your girl has been up the game, but we're back now. We're back, guys. Please give me ideas. What do you want me to do? Like, what would you like to see on my channel? Then I can bring it to you, babies. Whatever you want, ask me. Or want us to try new products, but please try and keep it clean as possible, because I'm trying to stick to herbal products, because that's what my hair likes. Less chemical and more grown products. But yeah, guys, this is what I'll see you soon, my loves, on my next video. Just let me know what else would you like to see on my channel, because I'm actually getting so excited that I'm back on YouTube. Because for a second I was thinking, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do these, because I haven't been here in ages and it's so embarrassing. And look at me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go now, for real. Oh yeah, this is the signature one. Like, sometimes I would have my hair like this, like this. I have my hair like this sometimes. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Okay, so do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, because I'm back now. I mean, like, and I'm so happy to have you new followers, new subscribers, new family. No, I actually don't like to say followers and subscribers. You guys, we're family. Natural gang. I'm back. See you soon.